Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to multiply two cells in Excel. We begin by placing ourselves in the cell where the result will be displayed. Now to do the operation, we start by writing the equals symbol. Then click on the first cell to multiply. Next, we write the asterisk symbol, and finally we select the other cell to multiply. Finally, we press the Enter key and we will see the result of the multiplication. If we want the formula to be applied to the rest of the cells, we double-click on the icon in the corner of the cell. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.